I've worked at it, I've cooked. There's Malcolm Gladwell wrote a book called Outliers. In that book, he talked about something called the 10,000 hour rule. The 10,000 hour rule simply says for humans to develop a mastery at whatever they put their hands to do, a mastery of it, it takes on average about 10,000 hours. And they got that from interviewing the Beatles, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Wayne Gretzky, who's a hockey player. So regardless of the field, regardless if it's all mental or all hands or a combination of both, in order to develop a mastery in it, there seems to have been 10,000 hours put into that craft, working on it, honing it. So what have I already put a significant amount of hours working on honing it? Because for some of us, we've honed being lazy. We've honed the cycle of being stuck, of self-defeat, of negative self-talk. And it's not too late, but it's just now at this point to hone the other cycles that gets us off of that and allows us to run.